Welcome back, everybody. So guys, in this lecture we're going to talk about something interesting, and actually we're going to talk about the lists. So we already have lists in HTML, but how we can use that lists, we just need to put the UL and ALI, or instead of the UL you also can use the OL. Here we are using the UL. Inside the UL and the LI, I'm just putting something like item 1. I'm going down, LI. Oh man, li. Okay, so this is gonna be the item 2, and I'm just gonna make right after the item 2 the item 3. Item 3. Okay, awesome. Okay, let's just make another one because I know I'm gonna use more than that. Item 4. Okay, save it. Now go to the browser and refresh that. So there you can see item 1, item 2, item 3, and item 4. This is actually the untitled unordered list, actually. Not untitled, by the way. UL means unordered. If you just want to make an ordered list, you need to put the OL instead of the UL. So that's so cool, but this is not the Bootstrap way. So I just want to make things in a Bootstrap order, so I just need to put the space here and put the class, and inside that I'm just gonna make something like group list. Okay, that's not enough because here each of the item I have to make each of the item the group list item. Save it. Now go back to the browser and refresh that, and there you can see that you're gonna get something. Oh, okay, this should not be there, but it should be here, the group, the list group, actually, instead of the group list group, and same should go there, list group item. Save, go to the browser and refresh that page, and there you can see that this became the Bootstrap element now. Okay, so far so good. I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna add in space here and adding the another class and the list group item. Okay, the second one became the element. Now making the third one list group item. Okay, save. Now go to the browser. Now you can see that refreshing, and there you can see that all of them became the part of the group, the UL, the Bootstrap element. So now the list group item again. Okay, that's cool. But one more thing I'm just doing right now, a div, and inside this div I'm making a class here, row. Inside the row I'm making a column. Which size of the column I just want, I'm just making the column size here, col col 3. Okay, not bad. I'm going inside this column, I'm just cutting that UL and just pasting that inside, and now you can see that. Save, go back and refresh that. Now you can see that it became the smart menu list. Okay, that's looking cool to me. Now I'm just going back, and I just have to do a lot of things other than what I've done. Okay, another tab required to make it actually looking perfect. Okay, do you want to show that any one of them is actually active right now? You just need to put the active class, and now go back to the browser and refresh that. So there you can see that it's actually active. So things are actually good now. Okay, now what more? I'm okay with that. We have an active item, but what if we even have a disabled item from this list? So the list group item, I'm going there, and item 5 is going to be the disabled item. So inside the same one, disabled, save, and now go back and refresh that. So there you can see that it's actually disabled. You can see the difference between those colors. That means it's actually working, and working super fine. So now I think we should go to the next one. Actually, I'm just gonna make the linked list now. So I'm gonna make another col div, and I'm going inside this div and making the class first, the col 3 again, and going inside this col 3, and you know what I'm gonna do here, actually the here I'm just making the div. Two things you're gonna learn here, that if you apply the class list group Even it's not the UL, but it'll become the list group like the previously we had the bootstrap way. Here I'm making some links, so that's why I'm using the links. The hyperreference here. Item 1, line break. Here I'm making another one, hyperreference. Item 2, and I'm going to the third one, hyperreference. Item 3. Okay, awesome. I'm going there and putting the class again here, and yeah, the list group item and action. That's all we need. Save. Now I just need to go to the browser, but one thing more I have to do, actually, right here, list group items and a space. Actually, I need both of them, the item and the item in action. Now go to the browser and refresh that, so there you can see that. Okay, these now became outside from them, but this became a general link. I'm going there back. I'm actually putting the classes here with them. Oh my, link list group item. Save this again, refresh that. Here you can see that the very basic difference. It's actually, it has got the color of the link, but because of the a tag, but because we didn't apply the proper list element for the linked elements, that's why it was looking like that, the blue one. But if I just apply the proper theme action, I need to do the same with the bottom ones too, so I'm doing that here, the list group items. Okay, item space list group item action. Save, go back and refresh that. There you can see that. Okay, that's actually awesome. I'm gonna go back, and what more I'm just gonna do is something more different. Actually, the another thing in a list I just wanted to talk about is you even can apply different kind of colors from the Bootstrap theme, like the secondary one, the primary one, etc. I'm going to show you how we can apply them. First of all, we just need this like we have, and the same one like this one. I'm applying the different kind of designs right now. The list group item. Okay, same I as I put it already in here, the warning, the complete templates of the Bootstrap. We've talked about them a lot of times. You can apply them, simply refresh that. Now you can see that it became the warning one. That means it's actually working. So now in the same way, you can put the warning, the danger, the dark light, secondary and primary, etc. You can apply all of them, and there is nothing big deal about with applying them. So now the second thing is, I just wanted to guide you. What if you just want to apply these styles to the linked items? So we have to delete the action one because it's just making them a general linked item, but we just want it in a way Bootstrap likes, with the different kind of Bootstrap theme color. So refresh that back, and now you can see that it has now the actual color instead of that simple the action one. So it was all about the groups, the lists, and now you can completely understand how we can use them. So in the next lecture, we're going to talk about something different.